Hi, this is the Xiaomi Redmi 12C and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock feature was correct and it recognized my face so fast, just less than in 1 second we just unlocked the device. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the PIN code, passcode or pattern unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.